You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's hear how to pronounce the name of the daughter of Amber, I should say, Heard. Oonagh is how you pronounce her first name. Oonagh. The GH is essentially silent. If you want to learn more about this name, I've got a video for you. Stay tuned. Oonagh Paige. Elon Musk, maybe. Oonagh Paige. Amber Heard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.